Karen lady honks at elderly lady, so I block her path. I was walking down the sidewalk past this Panera, and this elderly lady was getting out of the passenger seat of a car when this total Karen honked at her. The stupid part is that she didn't even give her 2 seconds. Like, I can't even move that fast. So I stood in front of her car and blocked her path. Obviously, she got annoyed and started honking at me. But I just stood there, unbothered. Then she tried to go around me, so I kept moving in front of her car. It was really funny, because there was another car behind her, so she couldn't reverse. I left the scene when she got really angry.
Had fun with this Redomation story? Hit the like button and subscribe for more.